Hello and a very good morning to you. You're watching Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha Chandran. First up, let's get you some breaking updates coming in. The Waqf Amendment Bill showdown continues. The stage is set for a stormy Sansad session. The all-party meeting is today, and ahead of the session, sources say that Waqf bill will be discussed and the bill will be taken up in the Parliament winter session. So it could be a stormy session. Today's the all-party meeting. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the scoop on what's expected in this meeting. Pragya, a day after Prime Minister Modi in his victory speech has said there's no place for Waqf law in the constitution. Sources indicating that the Waqf bill will be discussed in the Parliament. Today's the all-party meeting. What are the updates?
You are absolutely right. This is all party meeting, and this is the party meeting before the winter session, where all the leaders of all political parties will decide which bills are to be taken up in this particular winter session. And according to the government, the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 is listed in this bill, and also Musalman Waqf Repeal Bill is also listed. That also gives the intention of the government to bring to table this bill. JPC report is already ready. We had also heard Mr. Chairman. There are only some procedural meetings that are due where the members will give their suggestions and amendments, and also if there is a note of dissent, this will be recorded in the report, and then the bill will be tabled. The bill, in fact, the senior most leaders like Union Home Minister have already claimed that in winter session the government is likely to pass this particular bill. While it has become a bone of contention, and many of the parties are saying this is anti-Muslim and anti-one community, many of them are also believe that there are some good suggestions in it that can be amended. So there are few points on which opposition has problem, and there are few points where political parties, because it's ideologically different from what they believe in, and according to their vote bank is what BJP believes, they are going to oppose it, and we are going to have a heated debate and heated session as far as this Waqf Amendment Bill is concerned. But we also heard Prime Minister yesterday. He totally said that there is no space for Waqf in this particular democracy, and this is exactly the intention of the government, looks like, because this bill features very prominently in the list of business that the government is going to discuss with the leaders of every political party who is participating in it. And the Congress is going to, according to our sources, the Congress is also likely to take. All
right. So the discussion will take place today. Pragya, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.